because that's a federal violation.
Was caught vaping on a commercial airline flight. A smoke detector went off in the lavatory. It caused the plane to make an emergency landing in Santa Fe, New Mexico. Police boarded the plane to detain the man.
You know what? There's something going on with this plane. Hello, sir. Good. Maybe
I didn't know it was him.
Step back over here for me.
She get out the way.
Stand up. Hold on before you walk off. Go ahead.
Wonder was.
I'll get it 1 second. Will you get his bag from me? Oh, this one. Thank you.
Y'all,
You good?
Been using a professional lawn service.
had to
but
do
it just
emergency,
hasn't been
and then now they
working.
probably
That's why I
said.
switched to Sunday. They know exactly what you need based on.
It's black.
There was a male on one of the flights that was vaping in front of the
Thank you.
I wonder was it. I bet he hit himself when that alarm went off. That shit. Bird. Motherfucker, I was smoking on the plane.
That you set off the smoke alarm in flight. Okay. Sound familiar? Yep. Okay. All right. So the reason why all of this happens is because that's a federal violation. We all know that you can't do that. That can also put everybody else that's in that plane in jeopardy when that happens. Okay. Because a lot goes on. Pilot's getting ready to land the plane. Next thing you know, he has a smoke alarm going off. Causes tons of confusion and a lot of stuff happens, right? Yep. So again, there's a whole process. I have to notify the air marshals. They're out of Albuquerque. I will explain the case to him. I will then go back, talk to the pilot, and between their decision is whether or not they want to charge you federally. If they decide yes, that they do want to prosecute you, it is a federal offense and you will be arrested for it. Okay? So I can't make that determination until I get them on the phone and talk to them and find out what they want to do. But you do know that you're not supposed to do that, correct? Okay. All right. So that's where we're at right now. So just give me a moment. I got to make a couple phone calls. Okay. Do you have a driver's license on you?
Yep.
Where's it at?
Top pocket.
Yeah, I just grabbed him and put him in the cuffs. He's not searched or anything yet. Okay. Or Terry, please.
Yeah.
Can we turn around on my back now?
Yeah, I don't want to say anything.
Are you on the bike?
Yes.
Do you have somebody picking you up?
Thank you.
Right there.
Thank you.
That would
10 on 2. Take a minute.
just work.
Yeah, this is in my.
We can go in the office if you want.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Can we get his bags?
Yeah, we got them all.
If you want, we can take them in the office.
Yeah, let's do it. We'll just take you to the airport office.
Can we get your cups from you?
Damn, they even got his bags off the lower part. Boy, they was ready to get rid of his ass.
We can switch out cups?
Sure.
Here you go, LT.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, his.
What's the lady picking you up? What's her name?
Paige.
Paige. And she's in the white car?
Carry one of those?
She's moved now. I'm not sure where she went. Looks like she moved on.
Okay.
We'll talk to her and let her know.
Yeah, we'll make sure that you are able to call her and let her know what's going on.
You want these bags with him or with their
I wonder was he vaping tobacco?
I think she drove off.
Or was he vaping?
No, she's right there.
Oh. Yeah. Could you?
They ain't saying nothing about weed, so I'm
we
guessing
don't
the
need the bags.
tobacco. This
Yep.
crazy.
No.
Stupid.
We
I
got
guess
one
he
more
could. Motherfuckers, man, they be damn near about to die without their vapes. This shit horrible.
Sorry.
And this shit ain't good for you, man.
You got it, sir.
He need a fucking intervention after this shit, man. Got kicked off a
So are you
fucking
guys already
plane
here?
because
I
he
was
couldn't
close
wait to
by.
hit.
Yeah, they saw me on the thing. So
Wasn't even no weed. I could see if it was some bud or something.
it's confusing.
All right,
We went
Kyle,
to the
we'll-
jet center, then
we'll
they
get
sent me
this
over
stuff
here,
going
and
as
they
soon as
transferred me back to
possible,
the
okay,
jet
'cause
center.
It's been
I know
so
you
I
long
remember I
since
called
it's done
him way
training
back.
here, so and then everything's changed since then. So
Is
We're
the
gonna continue to go a little bit, so.
is the
Go to the
aviation
flight
officer-
attendant.
I gotta unlock it for you guys.
Could you unlock
Yeah,
one?
just follow me.
Let's follow this guy real quick. We're gonna go in the office and start making this phone call.
Ew. Got on that plane stinking. He goofy.
I'm going to bed if you can do it all over.
Especially if it wasn't no motherfucking marijuana vape. He went in the bathroom. Nicotine vape fucking got caught and went to jail for that shit. Boy, that monkey gotta be fierce. Boy, that monkey on your back gotta be. No fucking
All right, come on in here to our fancy office. I'll let you have a seat.
office.
And then, what's up? What do you need? Just,
I've never sat down at that.
oh, yeah, I got you. Let me,
just scooch forward on your rear a little bit.
let me try to get these guys on the phone sooner or later. All right, hey, so if I
Don't do
take
that.
the handcuffs off you, you're gonna relax and be calm?
Don't do that goofy ass shit. That's probably about the dumbest shit. As you can see, they got smoked.
Oh, the deputy put him on backwards. Just give me a sec. So lift your hands up.
Thought he was being.
Go. They have some direct questions.
Oh, you can see that motherfucker right there, bro.
Just go ahead and put this on
Looks
your
like a
side.
smoke detector. Time you on a plane, you be like, oh damn, you in the bathroom. And you know that motherfucker. Oh,
Deputy put him on backwards. Oh, of course he did.
best thing you got a shot at doing on the plane is fuck it. And drinking. That smoke.
108.
That smoking on the plane shit. I'm a motherfucker who love to smoke weed, but I get high as hell before I go to the airport.
Listen, so don't worry, I'm gonna see if we can get you out of here with just don't do that shit again, kid.
Still gets documented. Still gets reported through us and
Make sure I'm really sleep.
but
I might take something to help me go to sleep.
can actually have significant ramifications on your travel patterns or future
I don't know. It's weird.
patterns.
I'll go. I'll try.
regard.
Yeah.
But Jake say,
So, but
out like a
I
night,
get it.
like a night.
Travel quite quick.
I be trying to sleep.
And nicotine, and sometimes you
I'll
need
be
your
thinking-
nicotine, but
That ain't so.
All right. Good news and bad news. Good news is you get to leave here today. Bad news is they're probably going to be sending you a fine in the mail. So here's the issue that you caused. So by you vaping in the plane, caused them to deviate from their normal landing procedures, do a different stuff, and you delayed an additional flight 2 hours, which that flight now is delayed out of Dallas 2 hours, and you caused a ripple effect for all those connecting flights to be delayed 2 hours.
Yeah, because they gotta do the maintenance on the smoke detector now,
Yeah.
probably.
So, you know, I know you already know and you learned your lesson, I feel, but it caused much more of a problem than you think. You know what I mean? Yeah, you affected many people. So, I have your information. I'll give you a copy of the case number as well, so you have it. And then somebody from the FBI will be contacting you. So my suggestion, Kyle, because I deal with this a lot, believe it or not, at my time here at the airport, when they call and talk to you, don't deny it, because there's two witnesses, both flight attendants, that saw you do it. So just keep that in mind, okay? I'm telling you the same thing I'm telling everybody else. Just be honest, because these fines can be very, very steep and hefty if you make them do a lot more than they have to. You know what I mean? So, of course, you can do what you wish, but
Tell on yourself, buddy.
in the future, please
Basically.
don't smoke or vape or do anything on it.
Make them have to do their job. They
All right, you're good to
find
go.
you out.
Kyle, thank you. I understand it's not where you want to be, but you know what I mean. Thank you for being chill and understanding about what we have to do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course.
All right. You're good to go.
All right. Thank you.
Have a good day, man. Yep.
Take care.